Well, good morning. And I hate to say this, it's like 11:45. And I'm late. I have to text my sister-in-law. Just telling her I need to put my face on and walk the dogs. Okay, so my hair looks cuckoo, but it's just because I have it up so I don't get it all crappy. Yeah, so obviously, like I've been telling you, you guys know because I've been chatting with you, I am exhausted. So the dogs woke me up about 4 to go out because that's their normal time to go out. And then I woke up at like 7:30 when my husband was leaving for work. And yeah, I'm late. I'm so late. Everybody's gonna be upset, although Matt's family is not known for being on time, but the one time I'm late, they'd be on time and I'd never hear the end of it, which is what's gonna happen today. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my little Buxom pajamas on, girl, you can't see. White Russian palette, just soft pink. I'm just wearing a little pink blouse today and some jeans. I'm not even gonna put a primer on my eyes because, no kidding, I will get there, do lunch, and before you know it, I'll be back here to film more videos and I'll be taking it off. I kind of wish I hadn't switched out my drawer yesterday because it would be so much easier this morning. But anyways, I promised you a little chit chat, get ready with me, and boy, we're doing it. My burn. Sean told me to put Neosporin on it. Normally I have like 20 things of Neosporin around this stinking house. I can't find it. Alright, so there's a soft pink color matte that I'm going to go into. This is really going to be like a very natural look for me. Very natural. Otherwise I'll have to hear my family. Why do you put so much makeup on? No. Enough already, enough. Right? I say it's going to be natural. I'm like eyeballing the darkest color in here to put in my crease. Alright. Which is what I'm getting ready to do. It's like a dark purple glitter. It's a glittery color. And we just going to slap that on. We just going to slap it on. Just to give some definition. Because it'll wear off fast, I have a feeling. Oh my. You're gonna be like, what is she doing? She is not doing... This stuff is not working out very well. Because I don't have anything on my eyes for it to stick to. Damn it. I know you guys do not judge me. You guys don't. I judge me. Okay. We're gonna fix that eye up in a minute. Hey, Oko, you getting ready to go potty. And when you do, yes, I'm drinking my Pepsi or Diet Coke. God, I am. Naughty. That girl, she's naughty. No, naughty. I'm not gonna wear that foundation today. I'm gonna wear this. Because. Ew, maybe I'll use this Boscia BB cream. I have this little sample. We're just shortcutting everywhere today. Look at my eyes. Don't they look crazy? I've got crazy eyes. This might be too dark for me. Oh well. We're gonna try it. It's weird. Because it's a BB cream, I'm just... I think it is weird looking. What do you think? I feel... That's not gonna work, I'm sorry. It's just not gonna work for me. We're gonna have to do a little bit more than that. Yeah, I think it got old, maybe, because it got, I don't know if it was separating or what. Not today, I don't really need this today. Today I need to be beautiful. Yeah. FYI, that's dramatic me. I'm really excited to see my sissy. I'm just putting my Glam Glow Matte Glow Moisturizer on. And I think I can get away with using this as a primer. Why do you say, are you trying to get away without using a primer? I don't know. I'm just trying to be different. Or difficult. And then, oh. Did you guys see what I did? Oh my god, I'm such a goof. It's alright. I put it all over my eyeballs too. Dummy. It's my hair. We are gonna have fun today. Yes, we are. Because Susan's being a goof. I should just go back to bed and start all over, right? Just go ahead and tell me that. Oh my god. OMG, that girl is crazy. She crazy. We'll get that out. We're going into our box. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. I'm such a goof. I don't know what I put on. Damn it. It's going to be one of those days where the world is crazy, but not me. Yes, I'm dropping things. I'm just thinking this is going to be like my worst video ever. I'm just using my NARS Velvet Matte Tint. I'm putting it all over my face with my Artiste Palm brush. I love this brush. Of course I bought it because I saw Casey Holmes using it. It was a long time ago I bought it. But sometimes, depending on the foundation, it'll get a little bit you know, it'll drag. I feel like, I guess is a good word. So you get line marks. Normally it works pretty good with that one I just put on. But because today is a crazy day, it's not going to work. Like, my eyeshadow looks hideous. Seriously, girl. Seriously? Come on now. You gotta do better than this. Hideous, I tell you. Hideous. At least if it's gonna be high, even it out. Whew. That girl is crazy. Oh, yeah. That girl is crazy. Please tell me that you guys have these kinds of days too. It's just... Whoa, look at those brows. We're gonna give me some brow. Give me some brown. Yeah. Get over how crazy I look. 'Cause I'm crazy. Yeah, yeah. Should be singing Welcome to the Jungle. Because that's what it feels like. It's too much blush. Oh, child. That is way too much for what we're going for. That's not good for this look. I need to put some more. More on. I don't know what I'm doing that for, because you and I both know that doesn't work. That girl is crazy. There's one in there. Yeah, yeah. Subtle, subtle. Not normally my style, but it's what we're doing today. Okay. I don't know why I'm so worried about being late. Seriously, in the past 20-something years, I probably waited hours for these people. Hours. Not Sissy, but Mom and Dad. Hours. A lifetime. I know, you guys. I'm so, like, out of order today. Excuse me, Judge, but that lady, she is out of order. We are gonna put on this Makeup Revolution little peach sun-kissed highlighter that is the biggest highlighter I've ever seen in my life, and I don't know when I'll use it all. Right? Never. Having to work at this quite a bit. Okay. Okay, my peeps. We're gonna put on a little bit of lip product. And then hit the bricks. Alright, this is my little Dior lip whatever. No, it's not. It's in my purse, but I'll put some Marc Jacobs Sugar gloves on in a minute when I get to the car. Alright, how do we like that 15-minute? She screwed it up, and I think she pulled it out. Look. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta take my hair down. Because I'm not wearing my hair up today. Clips get stuck in my hair all the time. So, this is really the look. Yes, I should have curled my hair some more, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright. Beauties, I'll see you later. Gotta go.